Hello to you. I'm Jessie Johnson. This is the ultimate truth of all things. Let me put on these glasses first off. This is Jessie Johnson, and also this is the ultimate truth of all things. The mass majority of humans that will watch and listen to this video, including those who won't see it, will not comprehend or understand it, and will never know that they don't know that they don't know. Triple ignorance, which is worse than double ignorance. Because each human is at a different state and level than the next human, making matters very complex and virtually inextricable. Yet every word is the physics truth and the ultimate eternal truth. One of the main problems with the whole human race of individuals is, no matter how much information it collects, the human race still don't know shit, producing all levels and planes of misery and suffering at all subtle and gross levels for all individuals because of each other. Instantaneous, durationless, non-existent, timeless, is continuous, one seeming stream. Our system is an aspect of that seeming stream, composed of 90 base dimensions and several hundreds of sub-dimensions of those base dimensions, all of them I-embedded, which is an all-inclusive dimension, in the trans-infinitesimal, instantaneous, simultaneous, spontaneous, mechanismless, durationless, zeroth dimension moment. Our systems are an aspect and are the same substance as the ultimate transcendental all-pan, P-A-N. In our extreme complexity, we intuit via life itself and all our senses. We intuit the all as a universe of processes, including ourselves. From this, we construct our total world of cultures and societies in all details and complexities. This includes time, space, languages, institutions, etc. At the base of all bases, at the fundamentals of all fundamentals, at the ultimate of all ultimates, the so-called matter is beyond effable and ineffable, beyond determinable and indeterminable, beyond knowable and non-knowable, beyond mind and mindless, beyond every and all words, languages, and communique. Instantaneous, durationless, non-existent, timeless, is continuous, an utter impossibility, the ultimate of all impossibles, the impossible, 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 and the only reality, transcending all transcendentals, and beyond transcendental and transcendental-less, beyond reality and reality-less, neither time nor timeless, being nor beingless, be nor be less, exist or exist less, eternity or eternity less, nor space nor space less, nor dimension less. You've been brainwashed, taught from childhood that the universe is 15 to 20 billion light years in radius approximately, and is about 15 to 20 billion years old approximately, with about 150 billion galaxies composing it approximately. That our Earth is a spinning ball-shaped planet, along with 8 to 9 other planets revolving around a central sun in a galaxy. None of this is true. Totally, utterly, none of this is true. This is the heliocentric religion model of a universe. Heliocentric means sun-centric, or simply sun worship. Light years do not exist in our small universe. Since light years don't exist in our small universe, everything built on it, light years that is, do not exist. since the earth isn't a ball-shaped spinning object. Everything built on it do not exist. We are the same substance as the so-called universe cosmos. As such, in our extreme complexity, extreme specificness, and extreme order, we intuit ourselves and all else. The laws of this so-called universe cannot change or are non-violatable because there is no mechanism to do so. The so-called universe is beyond mechanism and mechanism-less. Our universe, from a physics standpoint, is a small, self-enclosed, several tens of thousands of miles in radius volume, not necessarily spherical, containing the stars, both stationary stars and wandering stars, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, etc. The Earth's surface we live on, and of which we are the chemicals of, is a large, flat surface. Our sun is small and about 42 to 52 miles in diameter and is 1,651.29 miles distant from Earth when circling the equator. Our moon is an almost flat disk, hollow shell, the same size as our sun. It is self-luminous with built-in phases and made of about 80% or so of cosmic plasma. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Please share this video and subscribe, and I want everyone to have a very, very good day.